The large format graphics market is changing. Everything is faster. Customers want their prints while they wait, and volumes just keep increasing. Don't waste precious time watching ink dry. Canon UV Gel technology offers the next generation in print productivity. The unique gel ink prints the highest quality in fewer passes, with no drying time between passes. UV Gel technology has a color gamut that easily matches eco-solvent systems, outstanding color depth and detail, and a beautiful, durable, smooth and scratch-resistant finish. Prints are so strong, you often don't need to laminate. UV Gel technology uses such a low temperature that you can use almost any media for the desired effect or to reduce costs. Even thin and thermoplastic media won't warp or distort with UV Gel. UV Gel is realizing breakthrough productivity and a broad application range at the lowest operating cost possible.